Yep, nice.
There she is.
Damn.
Wow.
Nice.
Listen. Good God.
Nice.
Just wait. There it is.
Nice. Oh, so much better with sunglasses on.
Oh. Cows are like, what's going on, man? Well, there goes a billion.
They're gonna taste like fear now. They're running around and everything.
Look at the baby one.
Like half of them running, the other half just don't care.
It's the apocalypse.
There's the sound.
Nice. I've lost it. Oh, there it is. Got it.
Right there. Yeah, you're gonna have a hard time focusing on it now, hon. Go to manual focus. No, autofocus, manual focus. Now you're gonna have to use this one. Yeah. Yep.
Plume's looking good on it.
Boom! Never mind.
Yeah. It's probably now downrange about 25 miles, continuing up.
Auto! They're very unhappy cows.
Wow, that was amazing.
I like he's so curious.
That plume's pretty far out now.
Yeah.
I like the video you got of the one, the NPP launch, because I got it after Miko, and after when it was on the way.
I'm still watching. Coming up on Miko.
Miko.
Main engine cut off at the first stage.
Still see just starting to lose it.
We have Miko.
Yep, there you go.
Miko on the first stage, yeah.
Cleared out.
Miko on the first stage.
And
I have lost.
Yeah, and I've lost it. So.
Okay, we've all lost it. It's confirmed, it's gone.
Like, I just want to hear the couch freaking out. Is that weird? He's like, yeah, that's weird.